boys and girls. It's Miss C in room 130, and today with me I have my very good friend.
Hi, Miss Warble.
And we wanted to talk to you about the letter C. Can you make a clicking camera with us? C says K. So first, Miss Warble brought, who is that, Miss Warble?
Pete the cat.
Cat, awesome job, yes. And Pete the cat is going to play a game with us with a mystery alphabet box. We're going to try to guess the name of some words that start with the sound. What's in the box, Miss Warble?
Okay, ready?
It's big. What is it? It's a cow. Cow. Nice job. I want to see what's in that box.
Okay.
Can I have a turn, please?
Sure, of course you can.
Thanks, Miss Warble.
Of course you can.
Bite me? Oh. Crayola crayons. Let's say crayons. Good job.
Crayon. Awesome. Right, my turn.
Good at this, Miss Warble. You're like our YouTube star.
Ooh.
It looks so yummy. It's a cookie.
Yesterday was National Cookie Day.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah.
Good to know. Let's see what else we got in there. A block. Block starts with B.
Oh, I know.
What?
I think this is a 3D shape.
Oh, what could a 3D shape be? It's a
Cube.
cube. Good job. Let's see what else is in this box. A car. Car. Good job. Oh my gosh. I just took a peek in and I saw this. It's a camera. That's so
Perfect.
funny.
This fell out.
Oh, that's a cracker. Cracker.
Another one. This is fun.
Another camera. Camera.
Cheese. Perfect. You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. Alrighty, let's see what's in there. There's one more thing, and it's an animal, and it's an animal, and it has some humps. What kind of animal could that be? A camel. Boys and girls, I was wondering if we could have Miss Warble show us how to write the letter C.
Of course.
Thanks, Miss Warble.
C is in the first letter. I mean.
Oh, nice.
I've
So
been
she's a
practicing
C
it
expert.
for a long time. All right, I start at the top. Turn around.
Perfect. And how about a lowercase c? A cursive C.
A cursive C.
A cursive C.
Cursive C.
So there's a little c and a big C. Now we're going to do the cursive C. Whee! And you know, whenever the big C and the little C go out, you know what they always say? You look just like your mom. You look just like your dad. Does anybody ever say that to you? Well, boys and girls, thank you so much for learning with me and Miss Warble today.
Thanks for having me.
Bye, guys.